Have you ever tried to impress someone by pretending to be something you're not? Well, this story shows what happens when that little trick backfires. Once upon a time, there was a monkey named Mika. Mika always wanted to be seen as important and knowledgeable. He thought that if he pretended to be someone he wasn't, people would like him more and respect him. But Mika soon learned that being honest is always the best choice. One sunny morning, sailors set out on a ship with a lively monkey. The monkey loved adventure and showing off, jumping and chattering. One night, a terrible storm broke, and the ship broke apart. The sailors and the monkey were thrown into the sea. The monkey cried for help, and a dolphin rose from the waves. The dolphin offered to take the monkey to safety on her back. The monkey thanked her, and the dolphin smiled as they glided. The dolphin asked if he lived in Athens.
We'll be on land soon. Do you live in Athens?
The monkey, wanting to impress, said he was born there and famous.
Athens? Of course! I was born there! Everyone in Athens knows me. I'm practically famous!
The dolphin asked if he knew Piraeus.
Really? Then you must know Piraeus.
The monkey claimed Piraeus was his best friend.
Piraeus? Well, oh yes, he's one of my best friends. We used to play together all the time.
The dolphin revealed Piraeus was the main harbor in Athens.
Piraeus isn't a person. It's the name of the main harbor in Athens.
The monkey was caught in his lie.
You've been lying, haven't you?
Well, maybe just a little.
The dolphin said,
Honesty travels farther than lies ever will.
She swam away, leaving the monkey near the shore, embarrassed. The monkey realized he shouldn't have pretended.
Guess I shouldn't have tried to be someone I'm not.
Pretending can land you in deep water. Be honest and proud of who you are. Honesty will always keep you afloat.